Let's talk about Chainflip. Chainflip is sitting at, just a second, it's sitting at 61 cents right now. I'm opening one chart, I'm looking for it. Where the hell did it go? Wow, this thing is not listed on MEX. Shit. I have to use KuCoin then. I'll use Bybit. It's okay. It's sitting at 61 cents. I am covering this coin for the first time, so I'll touch upon its fundamentals a little, then I'll get into the technicals of it. It's sitting at 61 cents as I mentioned, you can see. And there is this big ass logo by Bybit, which will make our life difficult. Maybe I should go to KuCoin. MEX and Binance, they don't put their logos in the middle of the chart. They're not so shitty. There is KuCoin. Yeah, KuCoin is better. It's sitting at 61.4 cents. Anyway, so let's talk about its fundamentals first. I'm covering this for the first time, then we can talk about its TA. Quick fundamentals, just a second. This thing has launched in 2023, December 2023, November, December. It has a very, very, very small market cap. Initially, this thing was pumped and jacked up by influencers. A lot of influencers on Twitter, they came out and they started sharing really, really bullish news around it. I have seen some, respectable influencers coming and shilling this project. And I think that's one of the reasons it is down. Even when you look at the market cap, it says self-reported. It's not fixed, it's full of bugs, which means that the information that you see about them is not correct either. It can be misleading. They don't have a maximum supply. And on top of it, another problem they have is the inflation. They have a total supply that they have mentioned. Of course, they can increase it. It's 90 million. And right now in circulation they have is 17 million. Now 17 million out of 90 million means that they have a right now circulation of 18.8% only, which means they are going to release more tokens. As they release 20% more, there will be 100% inflation. This thing can inflate by 450% very easily, which means the price of this coin will only go down in the longer journey. It will not go up. That is a sad part of it. That's the way their tokenomics are designed. And if we talk about what the hell do, they have mentioned that Chainflip is a cross-chain AMM, enabling native asset swaps without wrapped tokens or specialized wallets. So what they're doing is not unique because this is a secure cross-chain decentralized exchange. It's not the first one. We have already seen so many out there. They're just trying to act different. Now, proving that is going to take them forever. That how they are better than the rest of the people in this space. That being said, let's talk about its support area. As the chart is highly unreliable because of its small market cap, it is only 10 million self-reported one. So right now it's sitting at 61 cent. I'm going to use the support at 51 cent. Because the chart is not reliable. As long as it doesn't break below 51 cents, doesn't go below this area for more than 2 days on daily, I would assume that okay, it is going to go up towards 80 cents. The moment it goes towards 80 cents, I would expect it to shoot towards $1 as well. But if you see that it is breaking the 51 cent, then I would assume that okay, Chainlink has lost its final support as well, and it is on a downward journey towards creation of new lows. Now, when I say new lows, what do I mean by that? I'll show it to you just a second, okay? Because right now, if you look at it, it has this double top structure. This is one top, this is second top, this is the neckline. It is at its lowest point in life. It has pretty much gone down to the starting price on KuCoin. So it has eaten everything that it has done, and going below 51 cent, which is the bottom for this thing, it would only mean one thing, that okay, Chainlink is going to start new lows, because going below 51 cent means that this Chainflip coin is going to go towards 10 cents and then even 1 cent, and every time it goes down, it is going to surprise you and you would think that wow, I didn't expect it to get this low. but don't be, because it can go and do that. But if it wants to reverse, it wants to get bullish, there is still hope, and the hope is that it holds 51 cent, it doesn't go below it for more than 2 days, then I can expect that, okay, now this can reverse and go up. And that's pretty much with Chainflip. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.